Why does the star-nosed mole hold the record for fastest eater? Let's find out! With its lightning-fast speed, this little critter can identify and munch on prey in just 120 milliseconds. That's quicker than the blink of an eye. And check out that nose. Those 22 tentacle-like appendages aren't just for show. They sense vibrations, helping the mole navigate and hunt. Oh, and get this, they can even smell underwater by blowing bubbles and sniffing them back in. Crazy, right? Follow for more odd facts about things you never knew you needed to know.